Hey everybody, this is Jason Krause here at Trinity Fitness, Colorado Springs, and today we are starting into our first day of goblet squats. And so you can see we've got one goblet squat day every week, but we're leading up to this goblet squat test out. And the test out is a strength endurance test. It's 20 goblet squats at 50% body weight for females, 60% body weight for males, and that is a lot of weight, so we're going to basically build up to that. Okay, so today we want everybody to start with a motor control test. This is the question of, can you do a perfect air squat? We're asking for 3 seconds down, 0 second pause at the bottom, explode up, and then 1 second rest at the top. And we're just looking for 1 rep. We're just saying, can you do a proper air squat with excellent form? If not, or if you struggle, even if you can but you struggle with it, we're going to suggest that you do motor control training rather than trying to build strength, because the concept is you're building strength with bad form. That's not going to help you. So if you can work on better depth, work on knees tracking over, torso staying upright, that's where we want you to be for these 8 weeks. Okay, so here's the motor control test that I want everyone to start with, and then I'm going to give you 2 options from there. Okay, motor control setup. You're going to be 6 inches away from the wall. You're going to have ideally a 12-inch like medicine ball or box behind you. Biceps by the ears. This is going to measure whether or not your torso is caving. And then it's going to be 3 seconds down. 1, 2, 3, explode and reset. And if you can do that without any issues, depth is fine, knees are tracking over toes, your torso is not falling forward, then great. If you struggle, however, the knees fall over the toes, the knees are caving, your torso's coming down and you're hitting the wall, then we're going to ask that you focus on some other techniques during this squat program. So one is the Cyclist squat. I prefer that you don't use 2 plates, okay? Don't stand on 2 plates. Put your heels on a single 10-pound plate and just work on doing those air squats. Okay, by elevating the heel, I've taken out some ankle mobility issues. I've also given me the ability to lean a little further back without feeling like I'm gonna fall back. So we're looking for perfect form, good upright torso, all of that. If this feels good, we can start to weight this. So we can have people do light goblet squats and just start building strength. The hope is that eventually, somewhere in this program, they're able to step forward and do those squats without the plate. They can also just do a counterbalance squat. So if they just feel like they're going to fall backwards, they can hold that out in front of them. And this is not so much about weighting the movement, it's just about counterbalancing the movement, okay? So those are the options for you. If you were able to perform this without any issue, then we want you to start building toward your 20 rep goblet squat. Today we're doing 5 sets of 10. I'm going to suggest that you start with dark blue for guys, maybe up to green for guys if you're a more advanced squatter. Otherwise, yellow for girls, light blue for girls, something like that. You're going to do 10 squats with that kettlebell at a 2-second negative. Rest a little bit. We're looking for 5 sets of 10. Okay. Little extra challenge for you. After you have finished 4 sets of 10, roughly about a minute rest in between, I want you to do your final set all the way up to 20 or failure, okay? So on your final set, you've already done 40 reps. Now I want you to see, can I do 15 to 20 of these? 1 1,000, 2 1,000, explode, rest. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, explode, rest, okay? I'm looking for 1 big final max set to finish things off. You've got 12 minutes to get it done.